Teachers' roles in reducing students' English writing anxiety, students and teachers' perceptions. There has been many studies focused on foreign or second language writing anxiety, such as studies by Oskam 2015, Ibrahim 2018, and Frida 2017. Due to the fact that writing is one of the problematic and complicated skill to master compared with other skills, EFL or ESL writing becomes a difficult thing for students due to the target language specific rules and leads to anxiety on them. Teachers are considered as the one who can help students to reduce students' writing anxiety, as stated by Mariam 2012. One of the greatest challenges for L2 teachers is providing a comfortable and low anxiety environment for their students. While the previous studies mostly focus on characteristics of writing anxiety, its sources, and its effects, there has been little discussion on how students and teachers perceive teachers' roles in minimizing English writing anxiety. This is troubling since teachers can play an important role as the facilitator to reduce students' writing anxiety. Therefore, it still needs a further investigation to find out what exactly teachers' roles in reducing writing anxiety, viewed from students and teachers' perceptions. There are two research questions in this study. What are teachers' perceptions of their roles in reducing student English writing anxiety in English Language Education Department of UINSA? What are students' perception of teachers' roles in reducing students' English writing anxiety in English Language Education Department of UINSA? Then, the objectives of this study are to investigate teachers' perceptions of their roles in reducing students' English writing anxiety in English Language Education Department of UINSA, and to explore students' perceptions of teachers' roles in reducing students' English writing anxiety in English Language Education Department of UINSA. This study is hoped to bring some significance. First, theoretical significance. The results of this study can be used as the reference for future research with the same topic but different skills, such as speaking skill. And second, practical significance. The study results provide information and knowledge for teachers about what should they do to reduce students' writing anxiety. Also for students in provide an overview of English writing anxiety that makes them aware of their writing anxiety. Scope and limitation of this study. The scope of this study is EFL writing anxiety in a higher education. This study only focuses on the students and teachers' perception dealing with the teachers' roles and to reduce students' writing anxiety, and only investigates on the third semester students of English Language Education Department of Islamic University of Sunan Ampel Surabaya who enroll a written English course during the academic period year 2019 until 2020, and the lecturers who teach these classes. There are two definitions of key terms. First, anxiety means students' feeling of tension, fear, nervous, and worry when they are writing in English. Second, writing refers to the process of producing English language and expressing ideas, thoughts, and or feelings as a skill that is taught for the third semester students in English Language Education Department of UINSA. Definition of English writing skill. Reading skill is one of the most essential of the four language skills for a communication with other people that contains some sub-skills such as spelling, punctuation, and grammar. definition of English writing anxiety, namely from Attai and Kurt 2006, students' tendency on negative emotions dealing with a writing task resulting in a reduced ability to organize thoughts and generate ideas. The effects of English writing anxiety impacts on cognitive performance and quality. Sources of English writing anxiety are competence, context of writing, and from psychology. There are teachers' roles in reducing writing anxiety from Veda 2017. The suitable design of the study is qualitative because the study is to find out students' point of view regarding their teacher's role in reducing writing anxiety and the teacher's perception concerning their roles in reducing students' writing anxiety in depth. The subject and setting of the study are for lecturers who teach in written English course for third semester of English Language Education Department at UIN Sunan Ampel Surabaya, and by using purposive sample, students from its written English class in the third semester of English Language Education Department at UIN Sunan Ampel Surabaya. The data will be collected in the study is teachers' roles in reducing writing anxiety based on students' and teachers' perceptions, and this data were obtained by doing interviews with the students and lecturers. The data collection. The data will be collected through doing interviews with the students and the lecturers by one-on-one interview. There are 5 open-ended questions for the students and also 5 open-ended questions for the lecturers for the interview. To analyze the data, there are some stages like organizing, reading all the data, coding, and coding process to generate a description, interrelating description, and interpreting the meaning of a description in terms of the teacher's roles in reducing students' English writing anxiety. To check the validity of the findings are confirmed with the theories used in the study and some experts of this topic, namely the supervisor or the lecturers who also teach writing English, but not the participant in the study, by doing triangulation. Thank you.